is absolutely. The monkey is freaking out. The monkey's absolutely freaking out. There is the elephant over there. The monkey is freaking out. And then over there, that monkey also freaking out. And then that monkey is also freaking out. Everybody's freaking out. Everybody is freaking out. Yeah. Alright. You're at the bar. You're at Rainforest Cafe. On the lazy river ride. Oh, there's an animatronic leopard. This is cool. Wow. Door. There's a door. That means a door. I would not be surprised if any theory channels did a theory about this. This is amazing.
Około 10 minut.
The fork. The leopard is moving and grooving, I guess. Weird head from Taiwan, I guess. Oh, I don't know why. There's a monkey. There's my friend. Hi, Aiden. Hi, Aiden's younger brother. Oh, sorry, wait, that's his sister. My bad. Wow, this is cool. Monkey. Aiden when he was younger. We are calling monkeys Aidens. If you don't know, the specific monkey's names are Aiden. There's a snake. That is a snake. Yeah. Snake. Bye bye, Mrs. Hi, Aiden. Hi, Aiden.
Hi, giraffe.
Oh, hi, me. The giraffe's name is all giraffe. Yeah. The giraffe's names are me. I'm joking. The giraffes are leopard. These are fish. Oh, Benjamin, more gorilla. Bunch of more Aidens. Oh, this is an alligator. Oh. Crocodiles. The Alexanders. I'm giving all animals their own name. Elephants. Oh. That's a hippo.
Yes, the sheep. Alligator,
There's your mom. I'm joking. The rhinos. Elephant. Vulture. Look at that.
Elephant.
Elephants' names are Thane. Oh, turtle and and the butterfly.
Oh, there's a tiger. Hi, look at the tiger.
Yeah, there's certain animals that just don't have names. Tiger, lion. There's just some tigers there. Nah. His name's Laura. I will see if I can post the I can see it. They have special templates that are on the walls when you enter the item. I have pictures of those. I will put them on my community tab if you want to see. What? Oh, lava! Yeah, yes. Lava's dripping down. It's snakes.
Mama, that's the way it goes.
The accessed by a mortal. There's the coffin. That's the skeleton right there. More skeletons of the mortals that have came and left. That have been trying to look for. That's the end. Then there's spider. And that's the end of the ride. Alright. That was fun. Tune in to watch some of my other videos. I don't know. See ya. These are the parrot and the frog exclusive Rainforest Cafe cups with Sprite in them. Very cool.